Hey there, green thumbs and garden lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really special for you, a step-by-step guide to fertilizing your garden in June. Imagine your plants bursting with color and your veggies growing juicy and plump. Sounds amazing, right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your garden that summer boost it needs. So grab your gloves, get your fertilizer ready, and let's dive into it. First things first, why June? June is a magical month for gardens. It's the time when everything is in full swing, from flowers to fruits. But to keep up that vibrant growth, our plants need a bit of a nutrient kick. And that's where fertilizing comes in. So let's talk about the types of fertilizers you can use. You have a few options. Organic compost, which is great for adding natural nutrients and improving soil health. Granular fertilizers, which are easy to apply and offer a slow release of nutrients. And liquid fertilizers, which give a quick boost to your plants. Today, I'll show you how to use all three, depending on what your garden needs. Let's start with organic compost. It's like a multivitamin for your garden. I love using compost because it's packed with all the good stuff plants need and it's super easy to apply. Just take a handful and sprinkle it around the base of your plants, then gently mix it into the top layer of soil. This helps the nutrients get down to the roots where they're needed the most. Do this once a month during the growing season and your plants will thank you. Next up, granular fertilizer. This one's great for those who prefer a set it and forget it approach. It's designed to release nutrients slowly over time, which means less frequent applications. The granules evenly around your plants, just like we did with the compost. Be careful not to let the fertilizer touch the leaves, as it can burn them. Water your garden after applying the fertilizer to help it start breaking down and feeding the plants. This should be done every 6-8 weeks during the growing season. Finally, let's talk about liquid fertilizer. It's perfect for a quick nutrient boost, especially if your plants are looking a bit tired or stressed. It's also ideal for container gardens and hanging baskets. Mix the liquid fertilizer according to the package instructions. Then, just water your plants as you normally would. The nutrients are absorbed quickly, so you'll see results faster. For best results, apply every 2-4 weeks during the growing season. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to fertilizing your garden in June. Whether you choose compost, granular, or liquid fertilizer, your plants will be thriving in no time. Remember, a little bit of care goes a long way in gardening. Gardening is all about nurturing and watching things grow. It's amazing to see how a bit of effort can transform your garden into a beautiful, thriving oasis. So go ahead and give your garden some love this June and enjoy the blooms and harvests that follow. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.